Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Instagram Reels with Canva in 2025. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right here on Canva. All we have to do is click on the plus sign where it says create, and then from here you're going to search for Instagram Reels. This will help you decide the dimensions without any stress, and as you can see, this selects the correct dimensions right away. Once you do so, it's going to load this page. And now from here, you can see the parts in the bottom. And here it helps you to ask for templates and generate whatever you want. So from here, you're going to click on X. And then from here, you're going to click on plus. And then you can add whatever you want, either stocks or info or stock videos. Now you can choose templates by going right here to the elements. And then from here, it's going to tell you for videos, photos, audio, or anything that you might like. Or you can go to design, and then from design it can show you some templates where you can from here ask for one of them at least, and then from here going to add it. This will show you that there is all pictures, and then from here once you click on play, it's going to show all the pictures that are going through. So you can replace each image from here, for example, this photo dump. You can also change the typing, so for example, it's going to be my video. And so from here in the background, you can change this image and replace it. You can do so by going to here in the uploads, and then from here you can upload whatever image that you would like. So for example, if I want to add TikTok, the logo, then as you can see right here, it replaces it, and you can drag and drop to wherever you want right here in the text below. So if I would like to replace this one right here, then I can show that in the copy settings, you can right click on it, and then you can set the image as whatever you want, or you can drag it and then put it all right here. And so if you want to show it, then you're going to click it right here. And then if you play it, then it's going to be in the part of the video. As you can see, this bar is going to let you hold on. And as you can see from here, you can replace it to put in any position. So if I want to put in the small one, then go back here, click on it. And as you can see, it just replaced it. And you can have many templates for you to play with in the design. And you can have many other pictures. And so different styles, different fonts, and different video types with or without audio. And finally, after you're done, click on share and then download. And then from here, you're going to make sure that you are on the MP4 video. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.